good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of WTFIN. We are currently on episode 6, so I want to say thank you guys if you made it this far. Thank you guys for locking in, thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you guys for your support. We are on the road to 100 videos, alright? So I'm trying to do 100 different things. It means we're going to learn 100 different things, experience 100 different things, and get 100 different things done. So if you with me on this journey, bless your soul. Today, what we're going to be doing is, of course, something different. We're going to be making a nice side bag out of some black corduroy and out of this like soft velvet material. Nice and soft and elegant. So this is going to be the interior of the bag. So I've drawn up something way back of how I wanted a side bag to look with different types of inspo, and I think I just had a night where I just woke up one day and I was like, yo, I think it would be nice to have a side bag. I have a lot of dreams, alright? Not to get off topic, but I be having a lot of dreams of different designs or different things when it comes to everything, even when it comes to architecture or whatever the case may be. But I know this one particular night, I just had a dream of actually sitting at my desk and designing like a bag and breaking it down. It's just super elegant, super in detail, where you just hear the materials getting cut, hear the scissors going through the material, hear the sewing machine, and everything just seems super nice and elegant. Alright, so the first thing I had to make sure I did was make some templates. That's what these are right here. Templates, this is going to be for the back panel, and this is going to be for the front panel right here. I'm going for like the Goyard Belvedere, I think that's how you pronounce it. That type of bag, but it's going to be a little bit bigger just so I can fit my iPad in it. So in this case I got to work outside, bring the iPad, fits perfectly in this, can fit a couple other little things in there. My camera, wallet, little essentials that I got. My next step, so I know I don't want the material to be flimsy, or I don't want the bag to be flimsy. I kind of want it to hold its own weight. So I'm gonna go run to Joann's real quick. Told you. 1.5 seconds. And I even got this one over here. Shit. Alright. Just to... Oh shit. Alright. First cop. It's a black, ready. I got these large hooks. I got 2 of these. Oh shit. See, this is why you should pay attention. This was right behind each other. The same thing, but got those right there. Those gonna be for the sides. Feels nice and durable actually. I like these a lot. And I got some stabilizer. I'm gonna have a bunch of little add-ons to the bag, a lot of details. I want to go full extent when it comes to detailing, when it comes to what these are gonna be attached to, what the front is gonna clip on to, things of that nature. We're going FD Faire. That's what I'm gonna call this video. FD Faire. right now. This is the front panel. So that's gonna be the back right there. This is gonna be the front. I got my stabilizer inside, and I got this one. So this one is gonna be the flap that folds over. Gonna fold over like this. You guys know I like to just flow through it and make it feel like it's just water, like what Bruce Lee said. Just move with it.
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
But so all I'm gonna have to do is cut a rectangle in the stabilizer. I'll say like 2 centimeters by, that looks like pretty much an inch. A little bit bigger than this right here. So I'm gonna be able to slide it through like this, but it's gonna be on both sides. So it's gonna be through the stabilizer and through the other side of the material. So the other side of this, as you can see. Boom, boom. Then I gotta cut a square on this one so this magnet can connect to this side. So this is the front. This is also the front, but this is on top of the front of the bag, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna cut a square and put the other side of the magnet so this can clip on here. Alright, that's where I'm at with it. It's gonna be the most tedious thing I do, I feel like. Yeah, wish your brother luck, I guess. Let's get started.
FD la savoir-faire. Savoir-faire.